Okay, this is problem 20 from chapter 11 of CFIN7. This is a marginal cost of capital question. Remember that the marginal cost of capital is the same calculation as the weighted average cost of capital. We just need to determine which costs we're going to employ when we do marginal cost of capital calculation. So in this case, it will be either retained earnings or new common equity, cost of new common equity. So Global Greenhouse must raise $500,000 to expand its operations. The component costs of capital are the after-tax cost of debt 4%, cost of preferred 7%, the cost of retained earnings 13%, cost of new common equity 15.5%. The Global maintains a capital structure that consists of 20% debt, 20% preferred stock, 60% in common equity. The firm's marginal tax rate is 40%, which doesn't really matter here because we are given the after-tax cost of debt. Global expects to generate $282,000 in retained earnings. What marginal cost of capital will it incur to raise the needed funds? So we take our retained earnings and we divide it by the percentage of equity, which is the 60%. So divide by 60%. So if this number is greater than 500,000, we're going to use the cost of retained earnings. If it is not, we will use the cost of new common equity. So 470,000. So that we don't have enough retained earnings, so we're going to have to issue new stock. So our marginal cost of capital is going to be the weight of debt times the after-tax cost of debt plus the weight of preferred times the cost of preferred plus the weight of equity times the cost of new common equity, and we get 11.5% for our marginal cost of capital because we had to issue new common equity to fund the project.